Hello everyone, welcome to my classroom. I'm Neetu Ann Thomas, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, SNIT Adur. I've been teaching you Principles of Management, which is being taught for the 6th semester K2 BTech students. Today we're going to deal with the important questions of Module 4. The first question we're going to discuss today is define organizing and explain its importance in the present business environment. So you have to define what organizing is and explain the importance. Why organizing is important in the present business market. So this may contain 5 to 7 marks. So first you have to define what organizing means. Organizing is in general means it is a systematic arrangement of activities. So a systematic arrangement of activities is called organizing. So organizing is the process of grouping the various activities to be done and assigning duties and responsibilities to people in groups or departments. So organizing process involves determining what work is needed to accomplish the goal of the organization and assigning those tasks to the individuals and arranging those individuals in the decision making process. So that is organizing. Now we're going to see what is its importance. The first importance is unity of objectives. So unity of objectives means an enterprise must have clearly defined objective or different objectives so that effective functioning of the organization is carried out. An organizational structure is effective if it facilitates the contribution made by all individuals in the enterprise to the attainment of the objectives of the enterprise. So every person in an organization is an important factor when you consider the unity of objective process. That is the final goal the organization has to achieve, or the final objective the organization has to achieve should be determined by the way in which the people in the organization work. So that is unity of objective. Second, organizational efficiency. So organizational efficiency, according to the principle, the structure of the organization should be planned so that the organizational objective can be attained with the lowest possible cost. It further states that the structure should permit optimum utilization of resources. So the main importance in the efficiency of an organization depends upon how well they make use of the resources. That is, by utilizing minimum number of resources, they should attain the maximum result. Right, so that should be the motto of the organization, to have a better efficiency or better organizational efficiency. Right. Third one is balance. Balance in the sense different departments and activities of an organization should be given proper weightage in proportion to their contribution to the overall objective. An appropriate mix of centralization and decentralization should be created. overemphasis and underemphasis should be avoided. That is, there should be a balance between the organizational duties and responsibilities that the employees are carried out and the proportion in which the work has been divided among the different employees. That is balance for more efficiency. So if there is balance, there'll be better efficiency in the organization. Fourth one is flexibility. So organizational structure must be sufficiently flexible to accept the changes in the internal and external environment. So this is what we're talking about throughout the chapters, because flexibility is one of the key factors for more productivity of the company. If we are flexible to the market conditions, then we can contribute more for the input and we can get satisfactory output. So that is, a flexibility is indeed the greatest challenge that the company has to accept in order to sustain in the current market situations, right? Fifth one is utilization of resources. So as I mentioned earlier, organizing helps to have optimum utilization of resources through proper resource planning. So there is a separate department even to assess the way how a company utilizes its resources. So the main aim or the main motto of the organization should be minimum resources gaining maximum output with a minimum amount of time. So satisfying these criteria is indeed a greater task for the company. So you have to utilize your resources within the organization in a better way. That is our utilization of resources. Next one is effective administration. Effective administration in the sense a sound organization structure is helpful in defining the job positions. The functions of management proceed smoothly if it is systematic, well defined, and appropriate functional groups are provided to help the managers to manage. The roles to be performed by the different managers are clarified, and the specialization is achieved through division of work. So, all this leads to effective and efficient administration. Right. Finally, you can say establishment of coordination. Establishment of coordination. That is, coordination among the different departments of the enterprise is created by the means of organizing. So it creates clear-cut relationships among the departments and help us to lay down balanced emphasis on various activities. It also ensures cooperation among individuals and a harmony in work of the higher level managers, exercising the authority to lower level managers. So in order to have coordination in a company, the ego of the higher level employees should be taken away, and so that the lower level employees mingle with the higher level and they can have more coordination or more successful completion of the work that has been started off. So that is the seven important, or the this is how a present business environment sustain uh, and the definition of the organization. Hope it's clear. So these many points should be added when you write the exam.